Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can get logged in into the Swoop account of yours. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and search in for a www.flysoup.com and press enter. Now here at the official web page of Swoop, there you can see the option of sign in on top right side of your screen. You click on sign in. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide your registered email address. Then go in for providing a password of your Swoop account. Here after providing both the details, you need to simply click on sign in. In case if you forgot your password of your Swoop account, here you need to click on link given forgot password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password. And just by providing your registered email address and password, you will get logged in into your Swoop account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into your Swoop account. Thank you.